Hey everyone, what's up? Today in this video I will show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Let's start the video. The first step is to open Instagram in your mobile phone and go to your profile. Then click on this hamburger menu on the top right corner. Now go to Account Center. In Account Center tap on the Personal Details. Now click Account Ownership and Control. Here you will see an option to deactivation or delete your account. Just click on it to proceed. Now choose the Instagram profile you want to delete. Here you will see two options: deactivate or delete. Select Delete Account and click Continue. Now Instagram is asking you why you want to delete your account. Select one of these options and click Continue. This is the confirmation page. Click Continue to proceed. Now for security purposes, enter the password of your Instagram account you want to delete and click on Continue. Now this is the last confirmation page. Click on Delete Account to finalize the deletion process. Remember, this action is permanent and cannot be undone. And that's it, you have successfully deleted your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.